Bullish Dogecoin cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 27 cents and 52 cents by 2030. Market investigators accept Doge could reach 21 cents by 2025. Bearish Dogecoin market cost expectation for 2023 is 4 cents. Dogecoin presentation programming engineers Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer thought of the thought for Dogecoin, otherwise called Doge, as a joke because of the then widespread digital currency hypothesis. It is viewed as the first image coin and the first canine coin, all the more explicitly. Notwithstanding being wry, certain individuals view it as a practical monetary open door. The Shiba Inu canine's face from the Doge image fills in as Dogecoin's symbol and namesake. Following its send-off on December 6, 2013, it quickly settled its web-based local area. By May 5, 2021, had a market capitalization of more than $85 billion. It currently fills in as Watford's only sleeve support in the Chief Association. Kindly note that the forecasts recorded underneath are expected to give general data and ought not be viewed as speculation exhortation. We suggest talking with experts first prior to making any Dogecoin ventures. All in all, we should jump into this blog entry to find out more, will we? What is Dogecoin? Distributed, open-source digital money. Dogecoin works over the web. It is viewed as an elective cash and an unexpected image coin. An outline of a Shiba Inu canine fills in as Dogecoin's logo, which was presented in December 2013. Despite the fact that it was at first considered as a joke, Dogecoin has filled in fame. At the point when the cryptographic money bubble burst in late 2017, it drove a few coins' qualities a lot higher. When a center of allies actually exchanged Dogecoin and used it to tip for content on Twitter and Reddit, despite the fact that it lost quite a bit of its worth after the air pocket burst in 2018. On web-based trades for advanced monetary standards, clients can buy and sell Dogecoin. Likewise, they can choose whether to keep their Dogecoin in a wallet or on a trade. Since there is a cap on the all-out number of coins that might be given, digital currencies like Bitcoin are deflationary. However, Dogecoin is an inflationary coin. This is on the grounds that the quantity of Bitcoins delivered into flow as mining rewards is divided at regular intervals. And until all coins are given, so is the expansion rate. Dogecoin key examination. Its memorables basic that not at all like in that frame of mind of the financial exchange. Most digital forms of money are projects as opposed to organizations. Hence, you can assess regardless of whether a cryptographic money is worth the effort by leading a suitable essential examination and taking into account all the data accessible about the venture. Essential examination is worried about deciding a resource's inborn worth. For instance, you can decide whether a digital money is exaggerated or underestimated by thinking about different inward and outside components. For Dogecoin, there are various incentives. The way that it isn't covered makes the incentive increment. The upsides of supporting the organization are recognized all through the entire mining environment. There is presently no rush toward an asserted hard cap. This balances out the organization's possibilities for what's to come. Subsequently, Dogecoin's worth can rise, further guaranteeing environment extension. Despite the fact that its initiation was set apart by craftsmen and content makers tipping each other, it has developed into a completely utilitarian money that can be utilized for ordinary uses. Dogecoin is right now worth 6 cents USD. Doge has moved 0.80% as of now with an exchanging volume of $203,861,373. Dogecoin is right now positioned 8 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $8,657,771,057 USD. Using the overall strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling uniqueness from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Dogecoin to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize constant Dogecoin market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market movement. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2023. Dogecoin, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The Doge cost conjecture for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to 9 cents. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be progressive, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging 8 cents in cost is very aggressive, however it is possible soon given expected coordinated efforts and headway. Doge is supposed to have a base worth of 7 cents. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2024. Of every 2024, Dogecoin Doge cost forecast has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Doge will before long outperform 15 cents. Nonetheless, we ought to hold on to check whether the Doge's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Doge will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 12 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 13 cents. Dogecoin value forecast 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 21 cents and Doge might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Doge is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 19 cents and a low of 18 cents in 2025. Dogecoin value expectation 2026. On the off chance that Dogecoin effectively supports market feeling among digital money devotees, the Dogecoin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Doge will be green in 2026. The Doge is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at 27 cents, with a base cost of 24 cents and a typical cost of 25 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the Doge cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 32 cents by 2027. With a base cost of 30 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Doge has a greatest value worth of 34 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 38 cents. In the event that Doge figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of 40 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help Doge needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 37 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2029. While Doge is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at 43 cents and a yearly cost close above 46 cents in 2029. Dogecoin value expectation 2030. By 2030, Dogecoin will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be 49 cents and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of 52 cents, averaging out at 50 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to gauge future sticker costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme Doge cost in 2031 is projected to be 60 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 58 cents. And as one of the first elective monetary standards, Dogecoin was created as a fast and prompt installment framework in view of the Litecoin blockchain design. The venture's objective was to construct areas of strength for a base for an engaging and easy-to-use Litecoin elective. When Dogecoin started, the possibility of digital forms of money had previously acquired far and wide acknowledgement, with Bitcoin arriving at new highs on the lookout. Thus, the Dogecoin people group immediately framed to advance and address Dogecoin, which was at first showcased as an image coin. Doge, a notable and popular image, is portrayed in the Shiba Inu K9 varieties prestige.